If you've heard of glycine mentioned before for sleep or recovery, then you might be wondering what it actually does. Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor. Today we're breaking down glycine, a simple amino acid, but why it's so important for sleep, recovery, metabolic health, and nervous system regulation. Glycine is one of the simplest amino acids in the body, but it's used for a wide range of things. It's used to help build collagen as well as creatine, also glutathione and important neurotransmitters. Glycine also acts directly with the nervous system, having a calming and regulatory effect. One of glycine's best known roles is helping with the nervous system as well as sleep regulation. Glycine acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning that it helps to promote a calmer, more relaxed state. Research suggests that it may help to support better sleep quality, relaxation, and recovery overnight. Glycine is also important for collagen production, making it relevant for joint health and connective tissue function. And because it also contributes to glutathione production, it's also an important antioxidant and part of the detoxification pathways. Glycine may be beneficial for those struggling with sleep, as well as repair and recovery overnight. Also, those looking to support connective tissue health and to regulate nervous system. Now let's talk about how to take it. The typical dose is 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams taken daily, and it's often recommended to take before bed in the evening to help with sleep support. As always, follow the instructions on your supplement label and talk to your healthcare provider before starting. Glycine may be a simple amino acid, but it can help in so many different ways, like with nervous system and sleep regulation, all the way to collagen production, joint health, and recovery. Sometimes the most foundational nutrients can have the biggest impacts. So if you've heard of or tried glycine before, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.